this video, we will show you how to take a screenshot in Samsung A16. The easiest way how you can take a screenshot in Samsung A16 is to add shortcut for screenshot. How to do that? First, you can scroll your phone like this, okay, and until below again, you can scroll again like this and click this icon. After you click this icon, you can click edit this, okay, and in my case, take a screenshot. This is the shortcut. If you don't see your shortcut here, you can select by sliding this and find your screenshot there. You can click to add your screenshot in here. You can just click this, so it will add it like this, okay. And in my case, I already add the screenshot, okay, so we don't need to save this. After that, we can click done, and in my case, I already put this screenshot in here, so we can just click this to take a screenshot. Okay, now we have take a screenshot using Samsung A16. And the second method, you can using this power button plus volume down. You can press this, the power button and the volume down in the same time. You can see I will do that, okay. And this is also the same how you can take a screenshot in Samsung A16. And that's all tutorial, the two method how you can take a screenshot in Samsung A16. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.